Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Vivo V29 Lite and I want to show you how see and manage your Google passwords on this device. To do it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. In it, Google Password Manager, and there we have passwords, which are the website from which passwords our device remember, maybe to our booking account. To manage it, click on it, but we need to have a look screen to manage it. I do it fast and add a new look screen because I want to manage my Google passwords. And now after we enter our look screen, we get connected to this password. In it we can copy our username and passwords using this first icon, or after we press on nice icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to our friends using this icon and send it. We can edit all by tap on edit and write something new in username, passwords or note, but remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.